Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You act fast, disconnect network and stop the Trojan from talking to its server. Once done, reboot into safe mode with networking so only essential services run. This limits the malware. Make sure to record process names and file paths you saw, write them down or copy to removable media. This step is both how you preserve evidence and why you avoid normal mode, where the Trojan hides. Now prepare trusted cleanup tools on a second device, while the infected machine remains isolated. You run multiple scans. First your main antivirus with the latest signatures, then a specialist anti-malware scanner for Trojan detection. Because single tools miss things, use at least 2 reputable engines. Once a file is flagged, quarantine then delete if confirmed and remove persistence mechanisms. Check startup folders, services, scheduled tasks, and registry autoruns. Also inspect browser extensions, the host's file, and DNS entries for tampering. If you find strange entries, remove them and reboot into normal. You finish by restoring trust. From a known clean device, change passwords and enable 2-factor authentication because the Trojan may have harvested credentials. If system files were altered, restore from backups or perform a repair install. This ensures integrity. Then monitor system logs and run follow-up scans daily for 1 to 2 weeks to catch persistence. If things go wrong, traces reappear. Use a clean rescue USB to boot and run offline scans. That tip often clears deeply embedded Trojans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.